Hi, today we're dealing with a check engine light code. Actually, it's an airbag on the passenger side. It's a Nissan Titan. It's a B1019. It's called a seat fasten belt sensor, but it doesn't look like a sensor. Got to find out this is the rear crew, those kind of door. There are 6 wires broken. And to fix that, the easier part is you see the red, blue, yellow wire and the yellow, black wire. Those are very obvious. Just reconnect that. The other 3 is 3 black wire. So most likely go to one here, one over there, and one over here. But look at this lineup, wire broken. They got like a top, middle, and bottom, and the other side too. So I just gonna temporarily reattach them and double check, see everything works. If it works out, then that's how it goes. All right. Sometimes you just can't figure it's a sensor. A lot of time it's a wire. And this is definitely the wire broken, caused that. All right, thank you for watching.